Hi everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. We are making famous rolled börek served in many Turkish restaurants, paçanga böreği. It has pastırma, Turkish pastrami and cheese in the filling and deep fried. Pastırma is aged meat that is salted before being dried and pressed. It gives a deep taste as a filling and with a deep fried yufka sheets becomes a paçanga börek that you can't resist. So let's get started. First I'm going to prepare the filling. It's very easy. I'm heating some olive oil and have some sweet green peppers and tomato. I'm going to roughly chop them and saute them. I'm using thin sweet peppers we call kıl biber, but if you cannot find, you can use whichever green peppers you have. For this recipe, it is better to peel the tomato and squeeze out some of the juices if there is any, and seeds to get rid of, so our filling will not be juicy. If you ever come to Turkey and try this paçanga börek in restaurants, some of you might see that they don't use veggies in the recipe, only pastrami and cheese. But I think this way it gives more colorful taste, so I prefer to use it. Now it's time to add the pastırma. Let me show you closer first. You can buy it in packages, sliced like this, or if you go to delicatessen shops, they also keep it whole and slice it as much as you want. As some of you already know, I'm from Kastamonu, from the Black Sea region in Turkey, and the city is also famous with pastırma. This is the most famous shop in Kastamonu, and when you go there, you can just buy as much as a pastırma you want, and they make it filling with it and take to the next shop to turn it into a pide. It was very delicious. We tried with my daughter last year. You can watch the whole episode from the links. I'm gonna share it in the description box below. Only thing was, it could have been better if it has more pastırma in it. So back to our paçanga böreği. I sauteed the veggies, tomatoes and peppers. I'm gonna tear my pastırma in small pieces and going to saute for a minute. I always like to have some extra heat on my dishes, so I added some red pepper flakes and paprika. My filling is ready. With sauteed vegetables and pastırma, I'm also going to fill my börek with shredded kaşar cheese. You can use mozzarella, it's similar type. Next, I'm going to cut my yufka sheets. We have these in round shape. These are handmade. You can use phyllo sheets for it. I know from US that they are usually sold in rectangular shape, but it is still easy to shape it in rolls. So I cut it in half first and place them together and cut it in triangle shape. In Turkish stores, also here in markets in Turkey, they have pre-cut triangle yufka sheets too, but I prefer to cut it my own so I can decide how thick or thin I want to cut it. Okay, I'm ready to roll now. First, get a spoonful of pastırma mixture and spread it to the white side of the yufka sheet and some kaşar cheese. Fold it gently from the sides and then roll it. To seal, I just dip my fingers to water and that's it. I will continue to roll it like this until my filling is finished. I have about 1 cup sunflower oil heated. Make sure it is hot so it doesn't soak oil. And deep fry it until it has golden color. Here we go. Just going to cook the other side. It takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. If it takes less, browns quickly, lower the temperature a little bit. So make sure the inside the yufka sheets are cooked thoroughly. When deep frying, it is also important to not overcrowd the pan, so the heat will be still hot and böreğs will begin to fry as soon as they meet with the oil. Along with my paçanga börek, I prepared simple classic Turkish style potato salad that I shared in the previous episode. It's really our favorite as a Turkish cuisine in tea parties or picnics, and it doesn't have any mayonnaise, so it's in low calorie and also healthier. Make sure you watch and try it. It was a nice and beautiful October day, a sunny afternoon in Istanbul. I don't know how it is where you live, but autumn came to Istanbul too late this year. It is best to serve this menu with Turkish tea, of course, but since I'm a coffee lover, I wanted to serve coffee with this delicious menu. The paçanga böreği has really intense flavor with the filling, so delicious and crunchy outside. I hope you give it a try and like it. Please share it in your comments. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.